Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a decorate and clean with me for Valentine's Day, so if you want to see that, then stay tuned. I like it when the sun shines bright. Whose song is that? Mine. I like it when the day is sunny. It makes everything seem alright. So I like to mess around with the girls and sing stupid songs and make funny voices and do like big opera songs, and that was my little song that I was singing to my 8-year-old just to kind of make her laugh. And then I went into a rendition of The Sun Will Come Out Tomorrow. So I like to play around and have fun with the girls, so just makes cleaning a little bit more enjoyable.
It's just a border, but when we're floating up like helium.
Kitchen actually wasn't too bad. This was a Saturday morning, which is when I usually do most of my cleaning, especially downstairs, because I like it to be clean for the weekend so that I can relax. But it was still a little bit dirty. I needed to clean out the sink and finish loading the dishes and wipe off the stove and things like that. The main purpose of today, though, was to decorate for Valentine's Day. So we just got the Christmas stuff put away a little while ago. And I like to decorate early for the next holiday, which is Valentine's Day. So that's a really fun holiday with all the pink and purple and red. And I just was really excited to decorate. So I thought I would bring you guys along to do it with me. But just going to hand wash some dishes really quickly that cannot go in the dishwasher. And then wipe out the sink really well.
Oh, listen to the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border, but when we're floating up like helium.
I had cleaned the stove pretty well the night before. I'm just going to wipe it down with some of the Method glass and surface cleaner, and then I needed to clean off the top of the refrigerator. It had been a while since I had cleaned it off, and I needed to put those vases away. So I put those away, I put the chips someplace else, and then wiped off the top of the refrigerator.
Here with you, it all seems so distant.
There's just a few things laying on the table. Of course, if you guys are like me, any horizontal surface just collects stuff that belongs other places. So that is pretty much the catch-all of our kitchen table, just kind of things that got laid there. So I'm putting that stuff away, and then I'm going to wipe the table and the chairs and vacuum under the table really well. break from cleaning to share with you guys all of my Valentine's Day decor, some of which I already had and some of which I just got at the Dollar Tree the other day. So I want to share it with you guys. This doesn't look terribly Valentine's Day-ish, but I picked these up. I actually picked up 9 packages of these command hooks at Kroger because they were part of the Christmas clearance. So they were only $1 a piece, and you get 6 hooks and 8 little strips. Ignore my nails, they look awful. But anyway, I got these to hang things in the homeschool room, and I also got these for the purpose of things like this, where I want to decorate and hang things on the walls or the ceilings temporarily, but I don't want to use tape and I don't want to use thumbtacks. The last time I used tape on my ceiling, it left a residue that is still there. So I learned my lesson the hard way to get these. So I don't know when this video goes up if you have a grocery store that or any store that has Christmas clearance, if these will be included or if they'll still be available, but I did pick up 9 packages and they're perfect for right now for what I'm gonna be doing today. So I got these. This one I got this year at the Dollar Tree. It's just a little sign that says welcome and has all these cute little hearts on it, so I picked that up. This year at the Dollar Tree, I also got cards. I always get cards there, so I got my husband and the girls' Valentine's Day cards from the Dollar Tree. These are not Valentine's Day-ish, but I just got these when I was just there, and I thought would be good for school, so I picked those up. These I got, and I am not a big fan of fake flowers, but I just thought these would be cute. These are actually 4 bunches of roses, obviously $1 a piece, so I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with these yet, but I picked those up, and I also got this pretty vase to go with it. I just thought that was so pretty, and for $1, that looks like something you get at Hobby Lobby for at least like what, $4 or $5, $6, so I got that. This I got last year, I believe, at the Dollar Tree. It may have come from Hobby Lobby, I can't remember. But it's just this big red heart with a pink heart in the middle. This heart topiary tree I've had for years. My husband got it for me at Target, and actually he wrote on the back, Happy Valentine's Day, I love you. So I use that every year for Valentine's Day. I have no clue where it came from. Probably Target, it looks like. My mom had something similar to this when I was growing up, and I always loved it, and so I thought it was really cute, and I wanted to have one in my own house. We've had this for a few years. You can find things like this pretty much anywhere, Target, Hobby Lobby, but I don't know exactly where this one came from, but I have that. These I got at Hobby Lobby a few years ago, just these pink and red glittery hearts, and I think they probably have something like that this year as well. Got some red wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree to wrap the girls and my husband's Valentine's Day presents in, so I've got that. I don't love their paper, but it's okay. This came from the Dollar Tree just the other day, just something to use to decorate with. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to put it, but I thought that was really cute. Oh, here's another card that I forgot to show. I think I got one too many, but that's okay. Then I got these glitter heart foam shapes. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with them. They're not adhesive, so I'll have to use tape or command strips or something, but I thought they were cute and maybe something to put in the homeschool room. I got this garland from the Dollar Tree the other day, and so it's got like red hearts with the pink garland, so that's cute. I just love Valentine's Day. I love all the pink and the red and the purple stuff. These came from the Dollar Tree. I thought it would make a fun craft that the girls could make, and then we could hang them next year for Valentine's Day decorations. Those were from the Dollar Tree just for $1, and they did already come with the string on them. This Valentine's Day like banner thing I got at Target, I believe, last year. So I have that. This came from the Dollar Tree last year. I love this thing. The ones they have this year aren't quite so whimsical, I don't think. I think they're more of a farmhouse style, but I really like this kind of over the top red and pink glittery style for Valentine's Day, so I have that. I also have this. I don't know exactly where it came from, but I do think it came from Dollar Tree last year. It seems like I remember getting it from there, so I have that. And then my girls got these at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. They're just like little ornaments they like to hang on their doors. So we have 2 of those. I have these pink heart scatters from last year. I don't know where they came from. I think they came from Hobby Lobby, but it's either Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree because that's pretty much where I get everything. So I have those. And I have these foil hearts that I got. I think I got them at Hobby Lobby after Valentine's Day one year, and they can like hang from the ceiling. So I have 2 or 3 strands of those. I actually think I had more. I don't think I got them all out of the attic when we were getting out the Valentine's Day stuff. They're all tangled, but I did hang these last year from the homeschool room ceiling, which is probably what I'll do again this year. but this time I'm going to use the command things instead of tape. I also have this big giant foil heart. It says clearance. What is that? Is that may be Kroger. That's maybe their price tag. I don't know, but I paid 12 cents, I think, for this giant heart. So I don't know where I'm going to put it, but you know, we can find somewhere to put it. And then just a random heart that I'm probably not going to hang because it's the only one I have of that. And then I have my Valentine's Day placemats. These have seen better days, but I love them because I love conversation hearts. Not to eat, but I just love the look of them. So I've only got 2 of these. And then I've got 4 of these red heart ones, which came from Kohl's, I believe, last year or year before last. They may still have them or something similar. I don't know. These came from, I think, Target. Let me see. Oh, I cut the tags off. But see, it's got a stain on it that I can't get off. But anyway, I do have those. That is all my Valentine's Day decorations. That's what I'm going to be using today to decorate the kitchen and the homeschool room. And then I'll show you guys when it's all done. And then I'll finish cleaning in here. All I need to do left in the kitchen is to vacuum and to mop. But I wanted to decorate first, and then I'll do that last. So let's decorate, and then I will get to the floor, and I'll show you everything at the end. Now that everything is clean, and I share with you all of our Valentine's Day decorations, now I'm going to decorate.
And then things turn to dust when I bluff just to mess up.
One reason I like to decorate for the holidays is because growing up, my mom always made every holiday really special, even not holidays too, but she always had cute placemats and tablecloths and candles and decorations for Easter and Valentine's Day and things like that. And I just remember that growing up, how much I loved that and looked forward to that. So I really enjoy doing this for my girls as well, because I think it's something that hopefully they will remember and look back on fondly like I do. So you guys let me know, do you like to decorate for all of the holidays, or do you just stick with the big one like Christmas? Do you decorate for Valentine's Day or Easter? And do you like to decorate early? Like, how early is the earliest that you'll decorate for a holiday? I'd like to know if you want to let me know in the comments.
like helium.
So now that everything is decorated, I'm just going to go ahead and finish vacuuming and then mop really well, and then everything will be clean and decorated. It was funny because my girls and I were gone when my husband got home from work that day, so he didn't know that I had decorated for Valentine's Day. So when he got home and we were all home together, I said, "Were you surprised that Valentine's Day threw up all over the house?" But he's kind of come to expect that I do like to decorate early and kind of make things festive and special, so he doesn't care. But I just thought that was funny that when he left, it was still messy and no Valentine's Day decorations, and then when he came back, it was all ready for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you saw anything that came from the Dollar Tree that you head there really quickly, because you know how the Dollar Tree is. They get stuff out and then it's gone way before the holiday actually gets here. So if you saw anything you liked, I would suggest going there as soon as possible to pick it up. So let me know if you like this video, and I can probably do it again for Easter. I don't have quite as much Easter decor as I do Valentine's Day, but I would still like to share it with you guys if you'd like to see it. So let me know in the comments if you would like to see that video coming up for Easter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.
I knew I'd find you here. You always leave when you can't feel. You tell me to leave you alone, but I can't stay away. I know I should let you go, but there's something telling me no. I know I should let you be, but I keep on thinking of you and me, thinking of you and me, but I keep on thinking of you and me, thinking of you and me, but there's something telling me no.
Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.